I'm talking slice it hot dish. We leaving home. Like snatched. It goes to the road. It goes to the road, but. If you want to know what I say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that good, all that good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that do, all that do. Yeah. Excuse the close this time. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do in this video. If you don't get that visual, you know. So don't do that. Okay, focus right there. Got it? Wait, let me get the name of this. First off, it is very or short tag. I just say short and big letter. Or shape tag. Whatever. So this one right here is not what it is. Try again the Lord mini dress. That's what this is. And the color. Dang, I don't know. Orange. Now this is very much peach. Pink. It's not orange. It's very much short. And I got it in a 1X. The sleeves, when you size down, are not as great, but I mean they make it. They make it there. They long. Because y'all know me when it comes to these sleeves. We like them. We like them a lot. But I got so many circles in my eyes. I haven't done a video with this one like this bright in a long time. But this is a 1X, not a 2. Oh, don't look at my hair because my lace is coming up and nobody got time to be trying to fix that right now. I'm just trying to do y'all video. Is that okay? Okay. Y'all be right back. Bam. Side. Bang. It's a little funny looking. But we get there. Side. Y'all, this dress is soft. Like, and then y'all had the nerves to buy me a little jewelry, so I don't make it so plain. Oh Lord! It said you gonna be plain today. I said I wouldn't mind trying to be plain. Lord, then I put it on backward. This is too much. Y'all, this the Lord me. Alright, let me get out of this before something happen up here. Because V-neck, collar. Show me what you got, collar. Woo! 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 Y'all, something different, something tight. Something I should have got in a 2X, but we're gonna be alright. Bars. Y'all, so this is the Desire Double Scoop Snatched mini dress. Oh baby, if I knew they meant snatched, like grab or like, hold on to snatched, I would have went up 2 sizes. Cause baby, just trying to hold me in. I mean like trying to hold me back. You feel me? Now these sleeves, let's get into them, these sleeves, let's get into them. So this is the scoop. It's supposed to be up on your shoulder or off your shoulder, but guess what? This how it's gonna be. Okay? But these sleeves, honey, I like them. Sleeves. Girl, I don't know why Fashion Nova wouldn't just go ahead and make me an ambassador. Fashion Nova, if you see this, embass me. Because I'm y'all and y'all me and we them. So let's do it. Because that's all I do. Ambassador me. Okay? But y'all, this is it from the side. Don't judge. I got a 2X, mind your business. Her from the back, y'all, and I don't know what she look like, shape, we're all jacked up, but she on from the back. From the other side, hand up. And we back to the front. I said, and we back to the front. And we, to the front. To the front. Y'all, I'm feeling kind of cute. I'm feeling kind of sexy. I'm feeling kind of cute. I'm feeling kind of cute. 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 I know I'm feeling kind of hot. I mean, burning up. But y'all, put you on some cute heels with this, and you doing it. I'm saying ring light. It's fine, cause we're moving on to the next and the last thing, cause I'm hot. So y'all gonna have to deal with that, okay? Oh Lord. So y'all gonna have to deal with that, okay? It's hot. Moving on along. Now y'all, this is the Baby Got Back rocker. When I tell y'all it took my breath being held for 20 minutes to get in this, I mean 20 whole minutes. Baby, I'm sorry. Gotta do what I gotta do. But 20 whole minutes. I'm talking sucking, tucking, pulling, ducking, rucking, tucking. I said tucking, ducking, pulling, tucking, rucking, ducking. What, tucking, roll, tucking, rucking, roll. Yo, back to this necklace. Mind y'all, I'm not even telling y'all how much I paid for these. That orange dress that y'all saw last time, that peach, was $5.98. Drum roll. This was, I think, $9. Because I got this on a 50% off sale or whatever, Labor Day. Y'all, I like it. I ain't Baby Got Back. But, baby, I'm back. You feel me? Like, okay. Side view is what we're giving. The back that she don't got, but she in the outfit though, and it's a 1X. It's a 1X. So quit all the talking. Quit all the talking. Baby got side eye, okay? Cause I want to talk, you gotta be haters, and then this part right here is zipper. It goes to the road. It goes to the road. I don't really much like that. I gotta breathe. You know what I'm saying? I gotta breathe. We gotta breathe to do this. See that? But yeah, this is Baby Got Back. Oh y'all, so I've also discovered something. Let me put this in here real quick. When Fashion Nova sends you something in a bag that's zip closed like this, just stay good stuff. Okay? Just stay good stuff. I'm not trying this on today. I'll try it on another video. But I got this tube top in the size large. Did you hear what I said? Large. Okay. And it was $1.78. When I tell you the quality of this, it came in like a trash bag looking bag, like the plain plastic bags. The quality of this is trash. Trash. Like, I can see the ring light in my phone through this shirt. It's trash. So make sure you get the stuff that ain't trash. Okay, cheaper is not always better. But this for $9, great. Little short sleeve. You can throw you on some sneakers. A little chain. A nice bag. And get the step. 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 Get the step. Hey, get the step. 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 Hey, get the step. that. Next. Okay, y'all. This is the last thing. This is the Rihanna tube dress in a 1X color mustard. I'm talking spicy hot dish. We beefing palm mustard. Friendship. Y'all, this is comfortable. This is cute. This is easy. Walk out the door. You can wear it with heels. You can wear it with tennis shoes. Denim jacket, jean jacket. Denim and jean is the same. See, when you be trying to do stuff and you be doing too much and then you be saying the same thing. But denim jacket, black cover up cardigan, like summer, spring, winter, fall. Okay, you could do this. See-through. See-through. I always wear this cheetah print bra so y'all can tell if something is see-through. This, see-through. Very much so see-through. But do I feel cute? Yes. Do I feel snatched? Yes. Do I feel like I belong? Yes. And do I feel like I look like Rihanna? No. But am I cute though? Yes. Come on now. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Give it to me. From the side. From the side. Stand still, don't move. Ha! Give him back. Give him back, y'all. Don't judge my shape for it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't judge my shape for it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all, this comfortable. She thin and breezy and breathable and moving and all that. She doing it. It's my turn. What's so funny? What's so funny? What's so funny? She do all that. She breathes. I got this necklace for $1.78. And I'm mad about it because it didn't say choke her, but she choking her. She choking her. They should have said choke her. Y'all, but this the last of this video because like I said, I'm hot. H-O-T. T-T-T-O-H. And if you spell it wrong, it's T-H-O-T. And I ain't that, so be better than you. Be like me. I don't know, y'all. I be swearing I can rap when I got bars. But I don't. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that doom, all that doom. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that doom, all that doom. If you're watching the RSA,